You want to know why I love my WR250R? It's because of this. It takes me places that you'll never see in the city. In Northern California, between Yosemite National Park and Lake Tahoe, sits Stanislaus National Forest. I thought I'd load the truck up, take my WR250R, drive a few hours, and have a mini dual sport adventure ride. Oh man, this is so nice. Yosemite National Park, back roads. I'm just getting lost. You know, in the Sierra Nevada mountains, a lot of folks want to go to Yosemite National Park. Also up north to Tahoe. Look at that. But there's a whole bunch of, you know, service roads and fire roads that are very, I guess, untrodden. They're mapped for sure, but not a lot of people actually go to it. I'm actually out on a Saturday right now. I'm pretty sure with the slow openings of Yosemite and some of the other national parks, I bet there's a mass influx of people that want to go see the parks that were closed for a very long time. But the thing about dual sport is, like that trail right there, I could probably hit that on the way back. Thing about dual sporting is, yeah, this WR250R is perfect for these not so populated trails. I see a trail over there, gonna hit it. Whatever this is. Okay, I think I'm about 3,000, 4,000 elevation right now, but these mountains definitely go higher. I think all the way up to 9,000 feet, enough to make you have altitude sickness. But it's so fun to just get on a dual sport, ride the forest roads, and then taper off into a dirt road like this. Huh, some kind of, oh, bear fence.
Perfect.
All right, let's go back to the road. I don't mind wearing out my knobbies here. Scenery is just amazing. Here's the thing. I've been riding for maybe 40 minutes. I totally forgot we're in the middle of an economic recession. COVID-19 and all that other junk. I'm just glad to be among nature. Really just counting my blessings, man. More people should be riding, man, that's for sure. You anxious? You feel oppressed? Feel frustrated? Man, just peel off into the wilderness for an hour will do you good, man. I've only actually seen a few people in the time I've been out already. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. I'm definitely not venturing too far from the truck. Alright, I gotta find me some dirt. I gotta watch these pine cones on the twisties, especially on these knobbies. Do not want to experience that. Hey, there's a dirt road. Alright, we'll go check this out. Looks like it's okay for riding. Whoa, that looks like bedrock. What the heck is this? Probably can't tell on camera, but that looked like the Flintstones. Oh man, that'd be a sweet camping site. Got the campfire there. You got a wall there. Looks like the tree just fell right here, so you really can't put your truck in there, but that's almost like perfect placement. I'm gonna have to remember the spot. Maybe we'll come back, do some disparate camping out here. I mean, this is bear country for sure. Hopefully this FMF pipe is scaring them off. I'm trying to be respectful though. I'm not like tearing it up or wrapping it up in here. I guess this part of Yosemite, it's mainly black bear. And I hear if you do encounter a black bear, you're supposed to stand your ground and just back out without turning your back. Make yourself as big as possible. And if they start coming at you, you're supposed to attack them. But that's another thing I'm gonna need, some bear spray, because you never know in these areas what you're gonna encounter. Wow, look at that view. This is like so... Now this is a mini adventure, honestly. What does this sign say? No trucks. Okay, didn't say anything about dual sports, but look at that.
Perfect.
Okay. Wow, that was tough. That was definitely worth it too. Holy jeez, look at that view. I'm so glad I'm on a dual sport. I mean, I could have taken my truck up that, but that's a pretty steep hill. Goodness, man. This is all goodness. Where did I get this dingleberry? Wow, look at that. That's a sheer drop down there. Pretty cool. Got an uphill in the middle of nowhere. Let's not loop it this time. Take it gingerly. Oh, it's not that bad. But when you're out on an adventure, it's different from being out in SVRA. Because if you get injured out here, help is going to be hard to come by. So your mentality's got to be a little different when you're even on a mini adventure. Man, sometimes these stumps look like things that they aren't. I thought I saw a dog, and it ended up being a burnt out trunk. Now I understand why so many beer commercials, you know, have their marketing campaign all about kind of the Sierra Mountains. This place is awesome. I'd love to have a beer right now. Another uphill. Alright, let's give it some gas. That was definitely tougher. I really haven't seen anyone for hours. I think I'll head back to the truck. There's my truck out in the middle of nowhere. Man, that was a pretty epic day. Remember I said that things in the distance looked like something they're not? I was seeing stumps that were looking like bears or dogs, and I'm looking over here and I thought I saw a dead monkey. Now tell me that doesn't look like a monkey. Look at that, I parked next to a dead tree. But the one next to it is as strong as an ox. I hope to do more videos like this in the future. Maybe a day or two adventure with the bike and the truck and disparate camping out here somewhere. But there are countless trails that I've seen taking just the road up here. So can't wait to come back and do more videos like this. If you like this video, please subscribe. I got plans in the future for my bike and for other things, so stay tuned.